future of adventure has arrived, and it is louder in impact, quieter in sound, and more shocking than anyone expected. This is not just a vehicle reveal, this is a revolution on wheels, a beast reborn for an electric era. The 2026 Hummer EV camper is here, and it's redefining what extreme adventure, luxury freedom, and off-grid power truly mean. Imagine a machine that combines military-grade toughness, supercar-level torque, and a fully self-contained camper lifestyle, all wrapped in a bold electric future. This isn't a concept that lives only on auto show stages. This is a game-changer aimed directly at explorers, overlanders, and thrill-seekers who want to disappear into the wild without giving up comfort, technology, or performance. So the question is simple. Is this the most extreme electric adventure vehicle ever created? Let's unleash the electric monster. Design and exterior, a futuristic fortress on wheels. The first time you see the 2026 Hummer EV camper, it doesn't just arrive, it dominates. This is a vehicle that looks like it was engineered for a post-apocalyptic future, where roads end and only the bold survive. The design is unapologetically aggressive, squared off, and muscular, but now refined with purpose-built camper engineering that transforms it into a rolling base camp. The iconic Hummer silhouette remains, with its wide stance, massive wheel arches, and commanding ride height, but the camper configuration adds an entirely new dimension. Reinforced rear sections seamlessly integrate a modular camper shell designed to look factory-built rather than an aftermarket afterthought. Sharp lines flow into rugged surfaces, while functional aerodynamics help manage airflow despite the vehicle's sheer size. The front fascia still features the illuminated Hummer lettering, glowing like a warning signal in the dark. Adaptive LED light bars stretch across the nose, providing both dramatic presence and functional visibility. These lights don't just illuminate roads, they slice through dust storms, desert nights, and mountain fog with surgical precision. Massive off-road tires wrap around beadlock-capable wheels, designed to handle rock crawling, deep sand, and muddy trails without hesitation. Skid plates protect critical components underneath, while reinforced bumpers house recovery hooks, winches, and integrated sensors for trail mapping. Every surface feels intentional, as if this vehicle was designed not for city streets, but for the edge of civilization. Around the back, the camper module becomes the star. Built with lightweight composite materials, it balances durability with efficiency. Solar panels are integrated into the roof, flush-mounted and aerodynamic, constantly harvesting energy from the sun. External storage compartments are weather-sealed and strategically placed, allowing easy access to gear, tools, and supplies. This isn't just a vehicle you drive, it's a fortress you take with you wherever the map ends. Interior and technology, a digital command CENTER METS luxury living. Step inside the 2026 Hummer EV camper and the world outside fades away. What greets you is not a truck cabin, but a high-tech command center fused with a luxury adventure lounge. This interior feels less like a traditional vehicle and more like the cockpit of a futuristic exploration vessel. The dashboard is dominated by a massive curved digital display system, combining driver instrumentation and infotainment into one seamless visual experience. High-resolution graphics deliver real-time terrain data, battery performance, navigation, and off-road telemetry. Every detail is crisp, responsive, and customizable, allowing drivers to tailor the interface to their mission. Premium materials elevate the space beyond rugged utility. Soft-touch surfaces, durable yet luxurious upholstery, and metallic accents strike a balance between toughness and refinement. The seats are wide, supportive, and designed for long-distance comfort, featuring heating, ventilation, and multi-zone massage functions. Whether you're crawling over rocks or cruising down an open highway, the cabin remains calm, controlled, and comfortable. Technology is everywhere, but never overwhelming. Voice-controlled systems allow drivers to adjust climate, navigation, and vehicle settings without taking their hands off the wheel. Over-the-air updates ensure the Hummer EV camper continues to evolve long after purchase, adding features, improving efficiency, and refining performance. Move into the camper section, and the transformation becomes even more dramatic. This is not a cramped sleeping box, It's a thoughtfully designed living space engineered for real-world adventure. A convertible sleeping area folds seamlessly from the wall, offering a full-size bed with memory foam comfort. LED ambient lighting adapts to your mood, shifting from bright task lighting to soft, calming tones at night. A compact kitchenette includes induction cooking, a refrigeration unit, and smart storage solutions. Touch controls manage power usage, water systems, and energy flow, allowing you to monitor resources with precision. Large windows bring the outside in, offering panoramic views while maintaining insulation and privacy. This is luxury redefined, not polished marble and chandeliers, but intelligent design that makes the wild feel like home. Performance and POWERTIN, electric power unleashed. Underneath its imposing body, the 2026 Hummer EV camper hides its greatest weapon, electric performance that defies expectations. This is where brute force meets intelligent engineering, delivering power in a way no traditional camper ever could. The Hummer EV platform is built around a tri-motor electric powertrain, producing an astonishing level of output. With horsepower figures expected to exceed 1,000 and torque delivered instantly, this electric monster doesn't just move, it launches. Even with the added weight of the camper module, acceleration remains shockingly quick, pushing this massive vehicle forward with relentless force. 0 to 60 happens in a time frame that feels almost unreal for something this large. The instant torque of electric motors means no hesitation, no lag, just pure thrust on demand. Whether climbing steep inclines, navigating loose terrain, or overtaking on highways, the power is always there. Battery technology has evolved significantly for 2026. The Hummer EV camper is expected to feature an upgraded Ultium battery pack, offering improved energy density and thermal management. Range estimates vary based on configuration, but GM aims to deliver a balance between long-distance capability and extreme performance. Combined with regenerative braking and solar-assisted charging from the camper roof, this vehicle is built for extended off-grid journeys. Four-wheel steering enhances maneuverability, allowing the rear wheels to turn in coordination with the front. This dramatically improves turning radius, especially useful in tight trails and crowded campsites. And then there's CrabWalk, a feature that allows the vehicle to move diagonally, providing unparalleled control when navigating obstacles. Adaptive air suspension raises and lowers the vehicle depending on terrain, improving clearance off-road and efficiency on pavement. The ride feels planted, controlled, and surprisingly smooth, even when conditions turn hostile. This isn't just electric power, it's electric dominance. Safety and innovation, intelligence built for the unknown. When you venture far from civilization, safety becomes more than a feature, it becomes a necessity. The 2026 Hummer EV camper embraces this reality with a suite of advanced safety systems and innovative technologies designed to protect occupants in the most unpredictable environments. At the core is an advanced driver assistance system that combines cameras, radar, and LiDAR-like sensing to create a comprehensive understanding of the vehicle's surroundings. On highways, this translates into adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and automated braking. Off-road, the same sensors assist with obstacle detection, trail guidance, and terrain mapping. Underbody cameras provide a clear view of what lies beneath the vehicle, allowing drivers to place wheels precisely when crawling over rocks or uneven ground. This feature alone transforms off-road driving from guesswork into confidence. Battery safety has also been a major focus. The Ultium battery pack is protected by reinforced structures and advanced cooling systems, ensuring consistent performance even in extreme temperatures. In the event of an impact, automatic isolation systems protect occupants and first responders. Inside the camper, smart monitoring systems track air quality, temperature, and energy consumption. Fire suppression features and emergency alerts add an extra layer of security, ensuring peace of mind even when parked miles from the nearest road. Innovation extends beyond safety into sustainability. The integration of solar energy, efficient power management, and recyclable materials reflects a broader shift toward responsible adventure. This vehicle isn't just about conquering nature, it's about coexisting with it. Market impact and price. A new segment is born. The 2026 Hummer EV camper doesn't fit neatly into any existing category, and that's exactly why it matters. It's not just an electric truck, not just an RV, and not just an off-road vehicle. It's the convergence of all three, creating an entirely new segment in the automotive world. Traditional campers rely on diesel engines, heavy frames, and outdated technology. Electric vehicles, until now, have struggled to enter the adventure space due to range anxiety and infrastructure limitations. The Hummer EV camper challenges both assumptions, proving that electric power can not only survive off-grid, but thrive there. Pricing reflects its premium positioning. While official numbers may vary, industry expectations place the Hummer EV camper in the high-end market, potentially starting around the six-figure mark and climbing with options. This positions it against luxury motorhomes and high-end overlanding rigs rather than conventional trucks. But value isn't just about cost, it's about what you gain. Silent exploration, instant torque, advanced technology, and a level of capability that feels almost futuristic. Competitors are watching closely because this vehicle sets a new benchmark. Will it challenge Tesla's future adventure concepts? Could it force traditional RV manufacturers to rethink their approach? One thing is certain, the ripple effects will be felt across the industry. The future of adventure, electrified. The 2026 Hummer EV camper represents more than a product launch. It represents a shift in mindset. Adventure no longer means sacrificing comfort. Sustainability no longer means compromising power. And electric vehicles are no longer confined to city streets. This is a machine built for those who refuse to choose between luxury and capability, between technology and nature, between the future and the wild. It invites you to rethink what's possible, to imagine road trips without limits, and to embrace a new era of exploration. So is this the electric monster we've been waiting for? The answer feels clear. The 2026 Hummer EV camper doesn't just follow trends, it creates them. Don't forget to subscribe for more cinematic AI reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow today. And now we want to hear from you. Which feature impressed you most? The electric power, the camper luxury, or the extreme off-road tech? Let us know in the comments and join the conversation.